Hi y'all! So welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be doing another fun video with this awesome palette here, the Afrique by Juvia's Place, and I'm going to be doing something kind of different on my channel that I've not done before. I'm going to kind of do a more of a natural eye versus a full glam eye. So I don't quite know what I'm going to title this video yet, but you guys will see it because you're watching it now. But anyways, I kind of wanted to do like you know, a total opposite of each kind of eye. That way you guys can kind of get a, you know, kind of be able to know you can do a neutral look and a full glam look with this palette. So if you guys are excited about this video as much as I am, please go ahead and give this video a thumbs up, and also don't forget to subscribe down below because we have hit 1K, and I just want to say a quick thank you to all of you guys. I appreciate every single one of you for getting me to this milestone, and now we're moving the train on to 2.5K. So without further ado, let's just go ahead and get this video started, guys. I think I'm going to go ahead and start by doing the more dramatic eye first because that's what I'm most excited about to do today. So I'm just gonna dive right into this blue shade here first. It's called, I can't even pronounce this, but I'm just gonna go into that first. And I'm basically just going to work this all into my crease, and I'm going to keep it very high onto my brow bone. And don't worry, I am being messy, but I'm going to be cleaning that all up here in just a minute. Okay, and then we are going to go ahead and cut the crease. Okay. So then I'm not even going to set this concealer. I'm just going to dive right in, and we are going to take this bright yellow right here, and we're going to position that right into that inner corner area. Okay, and then I'm going to dive right into the orange shade, which is called Dacre. And I'm going to pack that right in there next to that yellow. Alright, and then I'm going to dive into this green and pack that next to the orange. Wow, that green, oh my goodness. Wow, that's pigmented. And then I'm going to dive into this shimmer kind of not burgundy, kind of a navy color. It's called Contano, I don't know. And then I'm just going to work that into my outer V area and bring that up to the green. Alright, and then I'm going to end up taking this brush I used for my eyeliner, which is very a precise brush, and I'm going to work on packing that right, the colors like right along the crease where I cut it. And yeah, I am having fallout, but that's okay because I didn't put on my makeup today first. I did my eyes first. Alright, and then I'm just going to take this tape off. Alright, and then we're just going to take all those same colors and we're just going to pack them all onto the lower lash line. So I'm going to take some of my Heavy Metal Urban Decay eyeliner in Glam Rock, and I'm just going to line that my crease that I cut. And then I'm going to go ahead and apply some black liner. Okay, so that is the finished wild eye. So we are going to go ahead and move on in and do the natural eye look now. I think I'm going to go in with this shade here called Kissy. I guess that's how you say it. And I'm just going to put that all into my crease. I'm kind of taking this color high onto my brow bone up here, because then I'm going to dive right into Cameroon, this other brown, and I'm going to use more of a denser brush and use that to work it into my crease. And then I'll use that same fluffy brush to blend it out. Sorry I'm not looking at you guys very much in this video because I'm constantly looking at my mirror. Okay, and then I'm not going to cut the crease or anything on this eye look because I want to keep it more of a more natural eye and not so wild and crazy. So then I think I'm just going to pack on this burgundy shade all over the lid. I'm just going to wet my brush. Alright, I'm going to use the lighter brown and work that into my lower lash line. Just because I don't want this eye to have too much of like a smoky eye effect. I don't want that. I just wanted this to be more of a neutral eye. And then I'm going to take this shade here. I've been wanting to use this, called Angelica, and use that to highlight my inner corner. And then I'm just going to apply some black eyeliner as well onto this eye. Okay guys, so these are the finished eye looks for today. We got our wild eye versus our neutral eye. Please leave a comment down below like which you like the best and which one you think turned out the best, and let me know if you like this style of video because I think I would like to continue doing them. It's something kind of fun and really different, and I forced myself to play with more colors in this gorgeous palette. I highly recommend getting it. It's well worth the price, which is not very much. And I think that's gonna be it till next time, guys. Don't forget that you are absolutely stunning. Bye guys, thanks for watching.
Hey guys, so if you haven't subscribed already, then click the circular icon in the middle. Or if you want to watch another great video, then click the one on the left or the one on the right.